component. Component ang ilalagay dito. Ano ibig sabihin ng component? Okay. The force must lie only on the x-axis or y-axis para matawag silang component. Okay. So, transferring this object M1 here at this path, okay, there is a force that is going up, tension, yan. And we need the component, y component, so this will be T sub y. Okay? And there is also weight going down, W1, ayun. And the component of W1 is W1y. So those are the components. Now we can solve now for the unknown. Using the formula, gagamitin ngayon itong formula ito. Algebraic sum of F equals MA. Okay. Now in this diagram, so in this diagram now, convenient axis diagram, to use this formula, algebraic sum of F equals MA, we have to put the subscript here. Algebraic sum of F sub y equals MAY. Okay. That will be the formula. So, establishing first this algebraic sum of F sub y equals M A sub y, ito. And what is the unbalanced force is algebraic sum of F. Okay. In this diagram, in order for this object to go down, because of it is accelerating downward, okay, the force X, W sub 1y should be greater. Para bumaba ito, mas mataas dapat ito kaysa T sub y. Okay, ayan. M1y minus T sub y equals M1a. That is the first equation. For the second object, so ano yung binulugan, ganon din. You just repeat. Ayan. Ito yung binilugan. Ito yung binilugan, so we have to copy. Ayan. Ito kinope sa baba. So, kagaya yung ginawa rito, kukopyahin ito. And nandito na siya. Okay. Okay. So, yan, ito yung 2. Ayun. Merong chord, pataas. Okay. Yung acceleration niya, pataas. Ganoon din. Now, since they are similar, since M2 is hung also the other string or chord, other end of the chord, they will have the same external forces. Okay. They differ only in the transcript. So this is T sub y, this is W2y. Okay. This is how to establish the convenient access. Copy first the acceleration. So that we can solve now for the equation of the unknown. So, since there are two equations, okay, we have to isulat muna yung dalawang equation na to. Equation 1, ito. Equation 2, yan. So, paano nakuha itong mga equation na ito? From this formula, the unbalanced force, okay, it is yan. This is the unbalanced force for M1, M1 ito eh. So, pag ito yung M1, para bumaba siya, W1Y must be positive. T sub Y must be negative. Ayun. W1Y positive minus T sub Y negative equals M1A1. Okay. So, this is equation 1. Sa equation 2 naman, problem number 2, pataas naman siya. Yun. So, whichever is the force with the same direction with acceleration, yan ang positive. Or, if this is M2, okay, ayan. The unbalanced force now is T sub Y minus W1Y para umakyat yan. Ayan. So, T sub Y minus W2Y equals M2A. Okay? So, this is the equation number 2. And solving or T. Now, if we add them, T and T will cancel. Yun. So, the simplifying this now, we have the formula for the acceleration. Okay. Because acceleration is required. Ayan. And it is found out that the acceleration is 1.6 meter per second squared. Okay. To determine the magnitude of the tension, use this again, apply this 1.6 meter per second squared, makikita yung tension. That is how to use the problem-solving strategy. Okay. Do you have any question? May tanong ba kayo? This will be, this is part of the or scope of the midterm exam next week. Kasali ito, force and motion. Okay. So you may take a photo of this so that you can study. Try to solve it according to the procedure.